Welcome back to the toolbox, guys. Got another find off of the marketplace today. It's that little fella down there on the bottom. It is a 3/8 drive, short handled. From what I've found out, that FV71 is possibly from the 60s or the 70s. It was a military issue, and I got it off of Facebook Marketplace today for 40 bucks. Probably in the middle of the range on the price range for them. I've seen them as low as 20 and as high as 70. So it's in pretty good shape. Chrome's not too bad except for on the back. And as always, don't forget to be awesome.